The 2026 Moomba Tykon just ended the Who Gets to Go debate. With space for 18 and the versatility for both cruising and water sports, the only problem will be deciding who gets to surf first. I'm Nick Morris with SKIER'S Marine, and today I'm going to show you how the 2026 Moomba Tykon maximizes its standard features, options, and sheer size to check every box for every person in your crew. There are an array of different gel coat, upholstery, and flooring options to choose from, but our Tykon here today is optioned with the sleek slate blue, khaki thermoskin upholstery, and the Gator Step wood grain non-skid flooring. At the Transom is a very spacious swim platform, allowing for plenty of space for one or multiple people. It is also a great spot with plenty of room to help friends or family ready themselves when getting ready to ski, wakeboard, or surf. New for the 2026 Tykon is this nice new half step here, so no longer have this huge step to get into your boat. Got a half step, so it's a little bit easier to get all the way into your boat. So continuing over the Transom, you have this nice cutout walk-through and an oversized step here, so you don't have to step on any upholstery getting into your boat. And under that center walk-through, you have an over-engine storage tray, which under that obviously will be your engine. The standard engine in the Moomba Tykon is the Indmar 6.2 liter Ford Raptor. The 6.2 liter Ford Raptor is engineered to deliver 404 foot-pounds of torque at any moment, giving you better acceleration and faster planing. What's special about the Raptor series engine is they're efficient. They consume less fuel, which means less time at the pump, filling up that 70-gallon tank, and more time on the water to cruise, surf, and play. The cockpit of the Moomba Tykon is extremely roomy and spacious. It's big enough for those really large crews with a max capacity of 18. I mean, just in this cockpit alone, there's 12 cup holders, there's 4 phone chargers, and there's ample amount of storage under every single seat. Something else cool about the cockpit of this Moomba Tykon is this nice sliding seat, which can be used as a rear-facing seat. You can also option it with a backrest. But if you don't like using it for that, it can also be used as a nice leg rest. A really nice standard option on the Moomba Tykon is this in-floor trash can and flip-flop holder here, which is just really convenient because of ease of access. So the standard tower on the Tykon is the A3, which can be colored in black or white. We've optioned this one with the A3 appearance upgrade in black, which is going to come with the tower bimini and surf storage. Board racks also come standard on the Tykon, equipped with a quick-release swiveling mechanism. It allows for getting your boards in and out of your racks easier than ever. An awesome option to get on this A3 tower is to upgrade to these Rev 10 Wet Sound tower speakers. They're loud enough to bump the perfect lake playlist for you and your family, and they also come with this really cool blue light ring to make your nighttime rides feel magical. But the audio excellence doesn't stop at the tower. With Bluetooth connection and Wet Sounds audio, this boat comes with 6 interior speakers and can be optioned with a 12-inch subwoofer. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to be notified of all future videos. So the helm of this boat is really designed with the driver in mind. This captain's chair is really comfortable and kind of hugs you on the back here, and it has a nice booster seat to allow you to see up over the windshield when you're plowing through the water. This is also where your 7-inch touchscreen is going to be to set up all your wakes and waves, control your cruise control, all your surf profiles and wake profiles, stuff like that. But it's also going to come equipped with AutoWake, which is a system that really helps simplify setting up your wakes for new boaters. Basically, it's a system that adds or subtracts ballast from your boat to kind of help give you that optimal wave you're going to be looking for. Now, once you get some experience and kind of really comfortable and know what you're doing with the boat, you can go in there and customize it and set it up something specific so they can surf their unique wave. Along with some redundancy switches to control your light, some of the interior and exterior lighting on this boat, as well as your ballast switches. And it's also going to be where you can control and hook up your Bluetooth stereo. The bow on the Tykon is just massive. It's very wide and spacious, enough for about 3 or 4 people to sit up here. We do have this one optioned with this nice step up or bow filler combo cushion. So you can actually flip this over, and it's a cushion on the bottom side, so you have a nice entire playpen section up here for the whole family. Thank you for touring the 2026 Moomba Tykon with us and learning why the sheer size and standard features of this boat make it an awesome boat for a large family. For more information on this boat or others in inventory, contact your nearest SKIER'S Marine dealership or visit us online at skiersmarine.com.